Everyone knows how to set an IP address on a Windows system using the Network Interface GUI. But do you know how to configure IP and DNS settings directly from the terminal using Command Prompt or PowerShell? You're going to learn today. Let's start with the legacy tool, NetSH, or Network Shell. NetSH is a built-in command line utility for managing IP settings, network adapters, and firewall configurations. It works in both Command Prompt and PowerShell across all versions of Windows. The basic syntax structure is NetSH, context, subcontext, command, parameters. To set the IP address for the network adapter named Ethernet, use NetSH interface IP set address, specifying the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. Next, we have to assign the DNS servers using the add DNS command. Always enclose the adapter name in quotes, even if it's just one word. Check settings with show address and show DNS commands. Verify settings with ipconfig/all. You can also verify with the comfortable Interface Properties GUI. To clear all settings and reset the adapter back to DHCP. Again, verify with ipconfig/all and via the Interface Properties GUI. The PowerShell commandlets to set IP and DNS settings only work in PowerShell. The commandlets, however, are supported in both the native Windows PowerShell 5.1 and the cross-platform PowerShell 7. The syntax layout follows the standard PowerShell verb-now pattern with named parameters. Use the new -IP address commandlet to set the adapter's IP address, subnet mask in CIDR notation, and gateway. Use set-DNS client server address to set the DNS servers separated by a comma. Optionally, use set-DNS client to set the connection DNS suffix. Again, always enclose the interface alias in quotes. Check settings using the get-netip configuration, get-DNS client server address, and get-DNS client commandlets. Verify settings with ipconfig/all and with the Interface Properties GUI. Use remove-net IP address and remove-net route to reset the adapter, and be sure to specify the -confirm $false parameter to suppress confirmation prompt. To reset the DNS settings, use the -reset server address and -reset connection specific suffix parameters for the set-DNS client server address and set-DNS client commandlets, respectively. To reset the adapter back to DHCP, use set-netip interface with the -DHCP parameter set to enable. NetSH commands are on top in the blue terminal. PowerShell commands are below in the black terminal. To set IP address, subnet, and gateway. To set DNS servers. To display settings and configurations. To reset to OE DHCP defaults. Terminal-based network configuration is a fundamental skill for any serious IT administrator. Knowing how to set IP and DNS settings from the command line is especially important in environments like Windows Server Core, where no GUI is available. Mastery of tools like PowerShell and NetSH enable faster, more efficient management of network settings, supports automation and large-scale deployments, and provides critical flexibility when resolving issues. They work locally or remotely over SSH, WinRM, or PowerShell remoting, making them essential for both workstation and server management. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful and informative. If you have feedback, corrections, or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it.